What's up, everybody? It's Tatiana here, and I'm back with another video. I want to talk about my natural hair journey. So I've been natural probably for about 6 years, and throughout being natural, I've done multiple different types of styles to try to protect my hair, especially during the transition period. So initially, I did a lot of braids, I did a lot of sew-ins, I did a lot of styles that I wore different hair to look like a different style instead of wearing my own hair. So in the last probably 2 years, I've gotten more comfortable with the health of my hair as well as how to style my hair. So the biggest things were finding the right products and figuring out what I wanted to do with my natural hair. One day when I was living in the Bay, I had went to Walmart with my mother, and we seen a lady whose hair was like a wash and go, and her daughter as well. And I asked what products she used. She took me right over to the aisle. Thank you so much, ma'am. I don't know who you are, but thank you. Took me right over to the aisle and picked up the organic root stimulator. I think it's curling cream, and also the Cantu products. So she told me that, you know, the process of what she does, how she layers on the leave-in conditioner, then she uses the cream, and sometimes she adds a custard on there, which I believe is a Cantu product as well. So I bought those things and sat on them for a while, and one day it was so hot and my hair would not manage and do what I needed it to do. You know, it just was doing its own thing. So I said, let me just try to work with my hair in its natural state. It was like butter. Okay, it was like, whew, now that I know the terms, like the slip it was giving my hair, the moisture, the amount of hydration my hair had is amazing. So I told my best friend about it, and now she has been more comfortable wearing natural styles and wearing her twist styles with that, and her hair being hydrated and moisturized, and having the right balance of moisture is very important no matter what your hair type is. So I'm going to share the photos of the items that I use and the before and after pictures as well, so you can see what I was dealing with prior to and after I applied the products. So with any process with doing my hair, what I like to do is utilize my time when my hair is wet after I take a shower. So I like to either use a shower cap to put over my head to help my hair stay moisturized until I get to that section, or sometimes I'm just blowing through it, and I might do it like I have now with a braid out with maybe 4 braids and a quad section. So each quad of my head has 4 braids underneath this, and then I kind of finger coil it at the end and let it air dry. And then I've been wearing a bonnet and my hat to protect my hair. So one of the styles that I'm going to show you a picture of is my twist out. And my twist out, I wore underneath here while I worked as well, just to try to protect my hair and not manipulate it so much. Came out beautifully. So stay tuned. I'm going to share some more information and the pictures about the products, and I hope you try them out. Please leave in the comments and let me know how that works out for you, what products you like, what things I can have an opportunity to try. And so just let me know what works. Share, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you.